In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a site on Wix. If you've already finished building your website and you are ready to make it visible to the world, Wix makes the publishing process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the final steps so you can confidently put your site online and share it with visitors. To get started, log into your Wix account and go to the website you want to publish. Once you see your list of sites, click Select and Edit on the one you are working on. This opens the Wix editor, where you can make any final adjustments before going live. It's a good idea to take a quick moment here to make sure everything looks the way you want, especially on key pages like your home page, contact page, or any important landing pages. Before publishing, use the preview option in the top right corner of the editor. This is an important step because it lets you see your site the way visitors will experience it. Check that your links go to the correct pages, your buttons work properly, and your layout looks clean and readable. You should also pay attention to the mobile version of your site. A lot of visitors will be coming from phones or tablets, so this is your chance to catch anything that might look off before the site is live. Once you've reviewed your design and you are happy with how everything looks, go back to the editor and click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. This is the step that actually makes your website live on the internet. After you click Publish, Wix will ask you how you want your site to appear online. If you are using the free Wix option, your site will go live immediately using a free Wix URL. This is great if you want to launch quickly or simply start sharing your work right away. If you have an upgraded premium plan, you will also have the option to connect a custom domain during the publishing prompt. Using a custom domain can make your site look more professional and easier for visitors to remember. When you've made your domain choice, click Done to finalize the process. At that point, your website is officially live, and you can start sharing your link with others. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.